Hello and welcome. Over the years, as I have accumulated a collection of instruments, I have also accumulated a collection of mouthpieces. Some of these are appropriate to use and can be easily cleaned and sterilized, but some of them are absolutely rancid. And for instance, this one here, the inside of it sort of resembles the clotted arteries of the morbidly obese. And because I've got quite a collection of mouthpieces that are in this rather disgusting, biologically unsafe condition, I really have been looking for a shortcut to try and make the job of cleaning them a little bit easier. So I could get some hot soapy water or soak the mouthpieces in vinegar for a while and then use a brush and clean it out and all the rest of it. But what I've decided to do is get a cheap ultrasonic cleaner from China and see whether this can do the job, or at least do most of the job for me. Now, if you've ever mucked around with brass instruments, you might have done the little thing where somebody will hold an instrument up to your body and play very loudly. Well, that's kind of nothing at all like how an ultrasonic cleaner works. They've got little transducers, which are things that sit in the bottom of the unit, and they pump energy in the form of sound waves operating at many tens of thousands of kilohertz into the bath of solution wherein the objects that you want to clean sit, and that motivates the particles of crud inside the mouthpiece to exit the mouthpiece. Or at least that's the theory in a very watered down and probably technically incorrect manner. So I'm going to try this approach and see whether it does any good. So after about 30 minutes in an ultrasonic cleaner at about 80 odd degrees, there's about 2/5 of the mouthpieces are now clean enough where I'd be happy to put them on my face. The 3/5 that remaining, are about 22 of them, are not really clean enough for me to want to put them on my face. So I'm going to have to do some manual work with a brush and try and clean them out a bit better. So sort of mixed results really. I'm going to do some more tests with this machine on trying to clean out actual pieces of tubing and things like that as opposed to just mouthpieces, and see how we get on. So how's that for a conclusion? Not really much of a conclusion at all. But it did save me a lot of effort on those 14 or so mouthpieces that did get clean. So there's that. Thanks for watching.